Who is the greatest investor of all time? Arguably, it would be this man called Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is now 91 years old and some 50 years ago became CEO and chairman of a company called Berkshire Hathaway. Let me show you why he is the greatest investor of all time. The greatest investor. But by what metrics? If you want to go by money, then Warren Buffett is easily one of the top 10 richest people in the world. He has a net worth of close to $100 billion. If you want to go by the rate of growth, then Berkshire has produced a compounded return of 20% yearly for close to 50 years now. Let's explore the story of Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire was originally a company that owned mills producing textiles. Business was bad and the management would close its mills and pump the cash back into buying its own stock. Warren thought that if he bought some shares, eventually the management would want to buy back his shares at a premium. He bought some shares of Berkshire at $7.50 and lo and behold, management wanted to buy his shares back at $11.50. That's almost a 53% premium. But the management tried to squeeze him. Instead of giving him $11.50, they changed the offer to $11.375.
Oh, hell no!
This made Warren mad. Instead of walking away or accepting the offer, he bought more Berkshire shares and eventually took over management just to fire the CEO who cheated him.
You're fired.
The story, however, doesn't end there. Warren then goes off to slowly liquidate most of the assets and business and starts investing the money in other companies. His business acumen, investing strategies and patience eventually earned him his first $1 billion, billion with a B. Now he is worth $100 billion. He actually could have been worth $200 billion. Buying Berkshire Hathaway is what Warren Buffett says is his greatest mistake. Because according to him, if he had stayed prudent, he reckons that he could have been worth $200 billion now instead of just $100 billion. He also has a cool nickname, the Oracle of Omaha. Why should we be bothered about Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett? For starters, so that we can learn from the man. Don't you want to be a billionaire too? Warren practices a form of investing called value investing. The idea is to value a business for how much cash and assets it produces and to buy the company when the stock price is lower than this value. And importantly is to be patient and trust your knowledge about the company that you are buying into. That has what has made Warren Buffett into a $100 billion Warren Buffett. So in conclusion, arguably the greatest investor may just be Warren Buffett.